That's where they went. They got that view. This is the longer version of it.
Yeah. This is pretty. That ain't a bad place to fish, right there. Yep. Wonder if you catch anything.
I'm sure people do. Can.
Hello.
Yeah. I'm not gonna run no races in there.
Me neither. You might see some deer.
You might. I'm gonna get out of the mud here.
Go around you. It's a pretty creek.
I was thinking I wasn't gonna need this jacket. Big old coat.
You getting hot already?
Yep.
Yep.
Well, see, the wind's died down. Wind's not hitting you as hard.
Yeah. And I wish I'd had a fishing pole right now.
Yeah.
Made a few casts.
I think that gets pretty deep in some places.
Yeah. It's just pretty.
Oh, yeah.
Right there, you might catch a trout or something. That's pretty.
The water's rolling.
It's gonna be a bad idea to bring a kayak, you know?
Yeah, you might what?
You might could do it here.
You might put kayaking here.
Yeah. I have a thing for this GoPro, that's what they call it. And I can put it on the end of stuff.
Yep.
And I want to put it on the end of my kayak. That'd be cool. Take it down here. Look at that. It's all grown up. Man. I forgot about this place. It's been a while.
Yeah.
How long
ago we walked it? Couple of years.
Yeah.
Mama.
It's pretty. Look here. This is a good trail, isn't it?
Back not heavy?
No, not too much. He's fly fishing.
Huh?
Look at him, he's fly fishing. Yep. Wonder how cold that is. Oh. See how he does it. It looks like he just casts and just lets it float.
What kind of fly rod you have?
Kind of. It's a nice one. I like it. It's one of those Japanese fly rods.
Yep.
So I think it's an 8 foot. Man. Look at that snow over there. Right there.
Snow on it.
Yeah.
Come over, we'll take it back. I think it almost be worth for me to go back to the truck and put this jacket off. Mama might want it, I don't know.
I'll put it in my backpack. If you
can get your backpack.
I might can. All it's got is my little Carhartt jacket. Oh.
What's one of my hats, say?
Christian tie or
No.
roll tie.
No. Look,
It's the
right
Alabama
there.
sign.
What does it say?
It don't. It's just the Alabama sign.
There's no Bama or anything on it, is it?
No. He just knew. That person.
Yeah.
He did have a mullet, so.
Y'all practicing baseball, y'all go outside, don't you?
Yeah.
'Cause it's not, it's cold down there, it is up here, but in January, a little early, we're practicing baseball.
Look at that. You can go right there and there's like a little pool.
Yeah.
Everything seems to be growing. Like, look. Just ferns and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that tree. Little birch.
Yep.
Look how big that is.
You get you a book that tells about all the trees, kind of trees that are, and kind of try to memorize them and pick, where you pick them out. Like, you know, I used to, we used to have a science class in Stanley College. Every year they make us go out and find different leaves, different trees, identify them. And I used to know some of them.
Yeah.
But I done forgot them.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
I got some Foxfire books, and it shows you like tree identification
Yeah.
and other stuff.
You need to learn those.
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
There, you can barely see the river from there. You know what these trees are? Like right here? Up above you? Yeah.
I figured it's been kind of, I always look at the barn and know it's no kind of oak tree or hickory tree.
Christmas tree.
There used to be a bunch of cypress. There's a cypress tree or something in there.
Yeah.
Beetles got them.
These smell good. Looks like a Christmas tree.
Right.
Needle. Make a little Christmas tree.